Brain chemicals in depression and anxiety. Is it simple brain chemicals only? Let's find out. When it comes to studying depression and anxiety, it is important to consider the role of brain chemicals. These mental health disorders are not simple and involve intricate relationships between neurotransmitters, hormones, genetics, and environmental factors. While low levels of certain chemicals like serotonin and dopamine are often linked to depression and anxiety, it is essential to understand that the problem lies in the imbalance and dysregulation of these chemicals, rather than a simple deficiency. Let's break down the chemicals involved and their typical levels during depression and anxiety first. Norepinephrine, a neurotransmitter, typically exists in low amounts compared to other neurotransmitters. Other neurotransmitters measuring around 1 nanograms per milliliter. In cases of depression, norepinephrine levels can be abnormally low, contributing to a lack of energy and focus. On the other hand, in cases of anxiety, norepinephrine levels can be high, leading to increased alertness and agitation, often experienced during anxiety or panic attacks. This neurotransmitter plays a crucial role in the body's fight or flight response, making it integral to understanding and addressing depression and anxiety. Did you know that endorphins play a crucial role in managing our mood and pain? In normal situations, our bodies have a baseline of 10 to 100 picograms per milliliter. For individuals with depression or anxiety, these levels can drop significantly, even as low as 10 picograms per milliliters. Endorphins are like natural painkillers and mood enhancers. When their levels are reduced, it can contribute to low mood and make it harder to experience pleasure or comfort, worsening depressive symptoms. Moreover, chronic stress and anxiety can further lower endorphin levels, leading to a sense of emotional and physical exhaustion. Understanding the role of endorphins in depression and anxiety is crucial to finding effective ways to manage these conditions. By boosting endorphin levels, we can potentially improve our overall well-being and find relief from the burdens of these mental health challenges. Oxytocin, the bonding hormone, that plays a crucial role in social connections and emotional bonding. In a normal state, its levels range between 1 to 10 picograms per milliliter. However, in the depths of depression or anxiety, oxytocin levels often plummet. Studies have shown that these levels can drop even lower than 1 picograms per milliliters in individuals experiencing social anxiety or severe depression. The impact of low oxytocin levels is significant. Feelings of isolation, which are all too common in depression, are closely linked to reduced oxytocin. This hormone acts as a bridge, connecting us to others and fostering a sense of belonging. Research has also shed light on the potential dysregulation of oxytocin in anxiety disorders, centered around social interactions, such as social anxiety disorder. This suggests that oxytocin may play a crucial role in managing anxiety and promoting social well-being. Understanding the power of oxytocin can spark hope for those struggling with depression or anxiety. By addressing oxytocin dysregulation, we can hope to provide a path towards heightened connections and emotional bonding. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter closely tied to motivation, pleasure, and reward. In individuals experiencing depression, dopamine levels can drop significantly, often falling 30–50% below the normal baseline of 50 to 100 nanograms per milliliter. This decrease in dopamine can lead to a lack of motivation and an inability to experience pleasure, contributing to the overwhelming feelings of hopelessness that characterize depression. But it doesn't stop there. Dopamine dysregulation can also impact anxiety, affecting motivation and coping mechanisms. Serotonin plays a crucial role in regulating mood, sleep, and appetite. For individuals with depression or anxiety, studies suggest that their serotonin levels may drop below 100 nanograms per milliliter compared to the normal baseline of about 200 nanograms per milliliter. In major depressive disorder, MDD, low serotonin levels are often observed, but the real issue lies in dysregulation of serotonin receptors or its availability in synapses. This dysfunction can impair mood regulation and lead to depressive symptoms. Additionally, individuals with depression may also have impaired serotonin receptor function, further reducing serotonin's ability to exert its mood-regulating effects. Chemical imbalances. Is it a cause or symptom? Have you ever wondered if chemical imbalances are the cause, or just a symptom of conditions like depression and anxiety? Well, it turns out that it's not as simple as having too little of certain brain chemicals. Let's dive into why. Firstly, it's not just about the quantity of these chemicals, but also the sensitivity and functioning of their receptors. Even if serotonin levels are normal, if the receptors aren't working properly, the brain won't process it correctly, leading to mood disorders. Secondly, specific brain regions, such as the prefrontal cortex, amygdala, and hippocampus, may be more affected in depression or anxiety. These areas might struggle to utilize neurotransmitters effectively even when levels appear to be adequate. Lastly, depression and anxiety can impact the brain's ability to form new neural connections, a process known as neuroplasticity. This is closely tied to neurotransmitter function, so even if serotonin or dopamine levels increase, the brain may still struggle to create the necessary circuits for healthy mood regulation. In conclusion, the relationship between brain chemicals and mood disorders is complex. It's not just about lacking a particular neurotransmitter. There are intricate imbalances and dysregulation within the brain's neural networks and receptor systems. Thanks for watching. Check out Happy Chemicals video in our channel Top 5 In.